How to speed up a video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to speed up a video or just a specific part in a CapCut, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first start by opening the CapCut app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on New Project and select the video that you want to edit and tap on Add. And once you have added the video clip to your timeline, simply navigate to the part of the video where you want to increase the speed. Now tap on the video clip and select Split. And after that, move to the end of the section and again tap on Split. And now select the middle section, the part where you want to speed up, and after tapping on that, simply tap on Split at the bottom and then choose Normal. Now you can drag the speed slider and set it as much as you want it to be. You can set it to 2x, 3x or even 5x for a faster effect. Now tap on the check mark to apply the changes. And if you want, you can even use the curve speed for a dynamic effect. So instead of normal speed, you can tap on curve for advanced speed control. Now you can select presets like flash in, which speeds up at the start and slows down later. And for the custom control, you can simply tap on custom and adjust the speed point where you like. And you can make the beginning super fast and then slow down for a dynamic effect. And once you tap play to preview your changes, and once you're satisfied with that, you can simply tap on export at the top right to save your video. And that's it. Now you know how to speed up videos in CapCut like a pro. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.